Use the H2.5 hex screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws of the louver on the back of the LX2. Slide both ends of the smoke exhaust pipe into a hose clamp. Attach the pipe to the smoke purifier and the air outlet of the LX2. Tighten both hose clamps. Select the third hose clamp into the pipe and tighten it on the outlet of the smoke purifier. For optimal airflow, keep the pipe path as straight and smooth as possible to reduce suction loss. Connect the power cable. Turn on the power switch to start using the smoke purifier. On and off. Press to start or stop the machine. The flow minus. Press to decrease airflow by 10 units. Flow plus, press to increase airflow by 10 units. Time set. Press to enter timer setup mode. OK in setting, press to mute alarm. When idle, press to view total runtime. Indicator light. A flashing red light will appear when the filter becomes clogged. Buzzer. A beeping sound will alert when the filter is clogged. Press the time set button once to enter timer setup mode. You'll see the timer digits on the screen. One digit will blink. Choose the shutdown time using Flow Plus and Flow Minus. Flow Plus increases the number. Flow Minus decreases the number. To move to the next digit, press Time Set again to shift between ones, tens, and hundreds. Confirm the timer, press OK/setting to save and exit. The purifier will now run until the time counts down, then shut off automatically. If the airflow feels weak, replace the pre-filter to restore normal suction. Power off the smoke purifier and unplug it for safety. Release the side latches on both sides. Remove the cover. Take out the used pre-filter. Insert the spare pre-filter. Make sure it sits flat and snug. Put the cover back on. Secure the side latches. Turn the purifier back on and check the airflow. If the machine won't start and the power supply is fine, the fuse may be blown. Turn off the power switch. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder. Identify the blown fuse. The spare fuse is next to it. Remove the blown fuse from the holder. Use a screwdriver to lift out the spare fuse. Insert the spare fuse into the holder slot. Reinstall the fuse holder back into its original position. Fuse replacement complete. Turn the machine on to test. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the LaserPecker support team at support@laserpecker.com. Thank you for watching.